Hello everyone, it's Robin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This morning for breakfast, I made sweet blueberry biscuits in my trusty cast iron skillet. They're delicious. I'll show you how to make them. Gather your ingredients. In a large bowl, you want to put all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Give it a good whisk. I have a frozen stick of butter here, and I'm going to grate that using my box grater. I find that easier instead of cutting it with a pastry cutter, but you do you. About 3/4 cup-ish very cold buttermilk. What you want to do is add the buttermilk gradually, and you might not even use it all, or you might use it all. What you want is just for the dough to start to stick together. And I'm using a cutting board here. I just put flour on the cutting board. I'm going to dust the dough ball and start to flatten it out, about a 1/2 inch thickness. And I'm going to put my blueberries on there. Now the recipe calls for a cup, and there was still some more blueberries left over in the container, so I added those. That probably affected the outcome of the biscuits. But anywho, they tasted great. Next time I'm going to cut them in circles, but when I flatten them out here, I'm going to flatten it out to about 1 inch in thickness. And instead of heading over and getting my biscuit cutter and getting flour all over the kitchen, I just took my pastry cutter here and just cut them into scone-like shapes. But you do the round biscuits or do the way I did. It doesn't matter. You do want your skillet to be prepared. I have bacon grease on that. And then you want the biscuits to be touching each other. And put them in the oven. Let's make the glaze. Powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. And about halfway through the cooking process, you dust or sprinkle the butter on there. And then put it back in the oven, and there you go. That's the finished biscuit. Looks beautiful. And then just drizzle on your sauce, any amount. I just dumped it all on there. They're amazing. Oh, super delicious. And look how beautiful. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's certainly delicious. And let me know. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. This is James T. We got him on New Year's Day. He's getting so big. Have a great day, everyone.